While most gamers don't outright hate the PS5, there are several frustrations and criticisms that have built up since its launch. It's more about disappointments and annoyances than hatred. Here's a breakdown of why some gamers are or were unhappy with the PS5. First off, scalping and shortages, especially early on. When the PS5 launched in November 2020, it was nearly impossible to get one, due to global chip shortages and scalper bots buying up stock. Resellers were flipping them for double or triple the price, frustrating average gamers for months, and in some regions, even years. Sony's next-gen console felt exclusive to the lucky or wealthy few for a long time. Okay, the next gripe with the PS5 is its huge size and clunky design. The PS5 is massive, larger than any console before it, and many users say it barely fits in their entertainment centers. And design is divisive. Some love the futuristic look, others call it bulky, ugly, or a giant router. It's hard to blend into a home setup, especially compared to the sleeker Xbox Series X or other consoles before. Next up is the limited storage space that comes with the PS5. The base PS5 only comes with 825GB of SSD storage, and only around 667GB are usable out of those. With modern games easily topping 100GB like Call of Duty, Final Fantasy, storage fills up fast. While you can expand the storage, it requires a compatible high-speed M.2 SSD, technical know-how to install it, or an external SSD. For a next-gen console, the storage limitations feel restrictive. Next up are the price increases and expensive accessories. In 2022, Sony raised the price of the PS5 in many regions outside the US, citing inflation. Accessories like the DualSense Edge controller, PlayStation Portal, and proprietary SSD expansions are expensive compared to Xbox or PC equivalents. The next frustration that gamers have with the PS5 is the weak backwards compatibility. The PS5 plays PS4 games, but there's no support for PS1, PS2, or PS3 discs. This is especially disappointing for fans of older PlayStation libraries, especially since Xbox supports full backwards compatibility, back to the OG Xbox. Sony's legacy library is massive, and fans want to access it without streaming or repurchasing games. And in the end, the PS5 has so much processing power that it could easily emulate PS1 games and even PS2 games. Next up, another problem gamers have with the PS5 is the PlayStation Plus overhaul confusion. The new PlayStation Plus tiers, Essential, Extra, Premium, are confusing, and some say overpriced compared to Xbox Game Pass. Game streaming is still inferior to downloading, and cloud saves or paywalls annoyed users during the transition. Many feel Sony tried to copy Xbox Game Pass without delivering the same value or clarity. Next up is the slow UI and missing features. The PS5 UI looks slick, but some features from PS4 are missing or are clunky, like folder support, which was added later, custom themes, game sorting and library navigation, limited social features and party chat improvements, and for a next-gen system, you expect it to be better, not worse than what was before. So some quality of life features feel like a step back instead of being better. Next up, another gripe gamers have with the PS5 is the fan noise and coil whine on some units. Some early PS5 units suffered from loud fan noises or coil whine, a high-pitched electrical noise coming from inside the console. While not universal, it caused enough complaints to gain attention. Okay, the bottom line is that the PS5 is a powerful console and definitely deserves its credit, but it's not a flawless experience. Frustrations do happen, like with basically almost anything in this world, and in this video I have tried to summarize them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell me in the comments if you have any other gripes with the PS5 or what's your general opinion about the console.